Hiya, it's a lovely sunny day here in January, and the job that needs doing is cleaning off my herb plants. So there's a lot of dead leaf. I'm just going to be very harsh, give it a haircut. This is a thyme, and the thyme has it goes to flower and seeds itself, and then you can replant the little plants. I'll see if I can find any, and then you'll get more plants, because after 2 years they tend to be sort of spent. You just feel a bit tired. That's why it's very important to just give them a good haircut, because the bits that are dead like that, they're not going to grow anything on there. See, I'm even able to squint for the sun, but I'm not complaining, it's lovely. So you need to just take a hair clippers and give it a haircut, and once done it can go back in its place. This one is quite good. Doesn't have to be precise, it just needs to be, you know, the majority of. And I've got a spicy marjoram, and exactly the same. You can see the new growth here, and you just need to take away the old. It's like old limbs of the plant. Nothing will grow on there. And I'll put them on the compost heap. This way the plant can regrow nicely by itself, and that's what you want. But if you leave the old bits on, it struggles to survive. I can take this one off, but I won't. Just take off all the old ones. Some people will be very precise. I'm not. I'm all about needs to do it quick. And look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? So now they can both go out by my front door. I do this with lemon balm, not with rosemary. You can do it sometimes with sage, lavender. Just take the old stuff off and make it all look tidy. Well, that's it for now.